Polestar 2 General Repairs. Polestar is a Swedish automotive brand established in 1996 by Volvo Cars partner Flash. Polestar Racing and acquired in 2015 by Volvo, which itself was acquired by Geely from Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China in 2010. It is headquartered in Gothenburg, Sweden, with vehicle production taking place in China. The company develops electric performance cars and offers performance hardware upgrades and engine software optimizations for Volvo models through their Polestar Engineered division. The 2022 Polestar 2 is a lot of things. Specifically a four-door hatchback with the proportions of a sedan and the ride height of a crossover. But above all else, it's an electric vehicle. Its Polestar branding will be familiar to fans of Volvo's performance division. But now it signifies pure electric and plug-in hybrid models. The 2's odd design isn't very pretty, but its hatchback body and much lower price make it more practical and attainable. Of course, its interior is richly appointed and fitted with an intuitive infotainment system. The 2022 Polestar 2 is available with either one or two electric motors. The car with the single motor setup is front-wheel drive and has an estimated driving range of 270 miles. The dual motor 2 has a shorter range, but that's offset by all-wheel drive and significantly more power for quicker acceleration. Servicing your Polestar 2 is crucial to maintain its performance, reliability, and safety. Polestar is a subsidiary of Volvo, and the Polestar 2 is an electric vehicle EV. Electric vehicles have different service requirements compared to traditional internal combustion engine ICE vehicles. Here are some general guidelines for servicing your Polestar 2. Regular maintenance. While electric vehicles generally require less maintenance than ICE vehicles, there are still important tasks that need attention. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and tread depth. Rotate the tires as recommended in your owner's manual. Brake inspection. Electric vehicles often have regenerative braking systems that reduce wear on traditional brakes. However, it's still essential to inspect and maintain your brake system as needed. Cabin air filter. Check and replace the cabin air filter as recommended by the manufacturer. Battery maintenance. The battery is the heart of an electric vehicle, and its maintenance is critical. Charging. Follow the recommended charging guidelines provided by Polestar. Overcharging or frequent fast charging can impact battery health. Battery health monitoring. Some EVs, including the Polestar 2, have built-in battery management systems that monitor and optimize the battery's performance. Pay attention to any warnings or notifications related to the battery. Software updates. Electric vehicles often receive over-the-air OTA software updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and add new features. Keep your vehicle's software up to date. Cooling system. Ensure that the battery cooling system is working correctly to prevent overheating, which can harm the battery. Scheduled maintenance. Refer to the Polestar 2 owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Follow it diligently to ensure your vehicle remains in optimal condition. Warranty. If your Polestar 2 is still under warranty, adhere to the recommended service intervals to maintain warranty coverage. Consult the warranty documentation for specific details. Specialized service. While some routine maintenance can be performed by a qualified mechanic, it's advisable to visit an authorized Polestar service center or a Volvo dealership with certified technicians who are trained to work on electric vehicles.